So I'm here to show you one of the best website which you can use. It is an international website and it is one of the oldest website which I have been using for so many years for the YouTube promotion. As well as there are so many kind of tools which are available. It is one of the it keeps trying to update itself so that it will give you the latest technology. So whenever you want to you can see that on the website is TubeBuddy, and we need to log in. You can use it the login through the Google email address. This is one of the best email address which you can use to log on to the TubeBuddy. So this is the kind of website which I'm going to share with you on screen. It will help you to grow your YouTube channel. Thank you. We click on continue to Google. Here we need to select your email address, and you will see the channel here. You can see that screen on your laptop. You can see if you want to check the health reports of your channel, you can see this. You can click on the launch pad, click on search ranking, brand alerts. You can see the packet export, key responses, promo materials, and settings. So one of the best things is the brand alert. Whenever your channel is eligible to collaborate with the brands, it will help you. It will show your channel to different brands so that you can promote their products on your channel. So I think you should try this. It is one of the best tool which I have been using it, and there is a trust on this tool. If you use this tool, definitely your YouTube channel will grow. Thank you so much.